you understand English very well. You understand movies, podcasts, and YouTube videos without any problem. When you are listening or watching, everything feels clear and easy. But when someone talks to you directly, something changes. Your mind goes blank. You know the words, but you can't find them. You want to speak, but nothing comes out. You freeze, you panic, and you forget what you learned. This moment is frustrating and makes you feel weak. If this sounds like you, this video is for you. This problem is very common, and it happens to millions of English learners around the world. It does not mean that you are bad at English, and it does not mean that you are slow or not smart enough. In fact, most people who face this problem understand English very well. The real reason is simple. You learned English the wrong way. You learned how to understand, but you never learned how to speak. Stay with me in this video because I will explain why this happens and how you can fix it. Let me tell you something important. The problem is not your intelligence, your memory, or your English level. The real problem is how you learned English. Most people learn English by listening, reading, memorizing words, and studying grammar. They spend years understanding the language, but they never practice speaking. So when it is time to speak, the brain panics. It feels stressed and confused because it never learned how to use English actively in real situations. Listening is passive. You sit, you relax, and you understand what you hear without effort. Speaking is different. Speaking is active. You must think, choose words, and use your mouth at the same time. Imagine this example. You watch gym videos every day and you understand all the exercises very well. Will your body change? Of course not. Your body changes only when you train. English works the same way. Listening helps, but listening alone will never make you speak. If this makes sense to you, please take a moment to like this video. This simple action really supports the channel and tells YouTube that this content is helpful. When you like the video, it helps more learners who struggle with English speaking find this content. Your support allows this channel to grow and continue creating simple, clear videos for beginners who want to speak English with more confidence. Now let's talk about another big problem that stops many learners from speaking English. This problem is translation. When you want to speak, you first think in your own language, then you translate into English, then you check grammar, and suddenly you panic. After that, you stop speaking. Native speakers do not do this. They think directly in English. You do not need perfect English to speak. What you really need is fast English, and fast English comes when you stop translating. Many English learners feel afraid when they want to speak. They are afraid of making mistakes, afraid of sounding stupid, and afraid of using wrong grammar. But let me ask you something important. Do children speak perfectly when they learn a language? Of course not. They speak badly, they make many mistakes, but they still speak. And because they speak, they slowly improve. Mistakes are not your enemy when learning English. Silence is the real enemy. Now let's practice together in a simple and easy way. I want you to repeat these sentences and say them with confidence, even if your voice feels weak at first. Tell yourself that you can speak English and that you do not need perfect English to communicate. Remember that improvement comes from speaking, not from waiting or staying silent. Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you are moving forward. This simple practice is a small step, but it helps you build confidence little by little. If you want to speak English with confidence, I invite you to subscribe to this channel now. Fluentra is created especially for beginners who feel nervous, confused, or stuck when trying to speak English. Here, we focus on simple English that you can really use in real life. There is no pressure to be perfect, no fear of mistakes, and no complicated rules. The goal is to help you feel relaxed, confident, and comfortable while learning to speak step by step. In Fluentra, we do not rush the learning process because speaking English needs time and patience. We speak slowly, use simple sentences, repeat important ideas, and practice regularly. You do not need special talent or a strong accent to speak English well. What you really need is consistency. When you listen, repeat, and speak a little every day, your confidence grows naturally, and speaking English starts to feel easier and more comfortable with time. If English makes you freeze, you are not broken. You just need the right method. Subscribe, like this video, and listen daily. This is Fluentra. See you in the next episode.